Okay, this is molarity. We've done molarity already, but we're going to have a quick review. What are the unit labels for molarity? No, the unit labels. Oh, did I ask unit labels? What are the unit labels? Moles per liter, right? Those are the unit labels? Okay. So, let's just do one quickly. It says, are you ready? Are you listening? What's the abbreviation for something that's given intravenously? Intravenously. An IV, yeah, exactly. Thank you, Kennedy. Okay. Intravenous IV saline. What's saline mean? Salt. Intravenous saline solutions are often administered to patients in a hospital. One saline solution, saline is what? What kind of salt? Sodium chloride, right? Okay. All right, so the solution is 0.9 grams. 0.9 grams of sodium chloride. And it says that they're putting that in exactly 100 milliliters of water. Okay? What's the molarity? How do you do this? So you're going to do what? How do you change that to moles? Isn't it going to be mass over molecular weight, mass over atomic weight, whatever? You want to say atomic because it's not a molecule? Okay. You can't miss with atomic. Mass over atomic weight, isn't that going to be moles? Over what? Over what? Over what? Milliliters over 1,000, right? Because that has to be in liters, right? So that's going to be moles per liter, correct? Yes or no? Okay, so what is the atomic weight of NaCl? Or the formula weight? I know there are chemists around the world who might be watching this who are aghast at my shortcut. Okay? Are you aghast, Kennedy? You look aghast. Is that like an Atlanta thing, or you're not aghast? Okay, right. Just a random thing. Understood. So what is it? 58. Well done, 58. Yeah, just round mass numbers. Don't go crazy. You know what I'm saying? When we do work in the lab, you have to use a lot of decimal places and blah, 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 blah. But this is fine. Mass numbers are fine. So that's going to be 0.9. I know what I'm doing, really. Shh. Okay. So 9. Make sure everything is okay. Okay. Over 58. What's 9? What's 0.9 over 58?
0.01.
What is it?
0.01.
2. What?
0.
Oh, 0. Sorry. I know. I should retire soon because I'm really getting deaf. What is it?
0.01.
0.01?
Yeah.
That's it?
155.
Yes? Give me another one.
5.
Oh! We went crazy, I know. Over, right? Right? Yes or no? I know, you guys are looking at me like you're complete toast. All right, so what is 0.0155 moles divided by 0.1 liters? Give me some math here, guys.
0.1.
You can do it.
0.155.
0.155?
Yes.
guys all right with that? What are the unit labels for, what's the unit label for molarity? Capital M, right? And if I say, we'll break it down more, then it's moles per liter, right? Correct? You get it? Okay, so that's the answer. Point, is that right?
Yes.
Yeah, 0.15, yes.
Why can't you just times 0.9 by 10? Because like if you times 100 milliliters by 10, you get 1 liter. So why can't you just times?
Honestly, Aiden, we have like 3 minutes, so I'm not sure I can delve too deeply into your question, but I'll just say this. I'm not sure I understand your question, but it's when you're doing the mole thing, it's not a simple thing of multiplying by 10 or something like that, okay? Because they're very unique calculations. It's whatever the mass is that you're given divided by the atomic weight, which is unique dependent upon that. So you can't really draw a rule of thumb on that. In other words, if you're saying to yourself, well, all right, fine, I'm always going to use sodium chloride. Or I'm always going to use a chemical whose gram molecular weight, gram mole weight is 10 or 100, or calcium bromide or bromine, which is, so it's saying, so I'm not sure that you can do whatever you're suggesting. You can make some conclusions here though, right? You just simply divide by 1,000. It's a base 10 thing, Like if it's 250 divided by 1,000, it's going to be what? 0.25, right? It's a quarter, right? Yeah. So we'll talk after class about your question, okay? I'll leave this on the board. Is that cool? All right. Guys, I want you have the homework this weekend is relax and come back charged on Sunday, ready to kick some chemistry butt. Is that clear? Excellent.